Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove spaces between numbers in Excel. Whether you're working with a large data set or just cleaning up few entries, I'll walk you through these three easy methods. So let's get started with the method 1. Here, I have set of numbers with the spaces and we want to remove those spaces. So first, select your data, then press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard to open Find and Replace window. In the Find Word field, type one space bar and leave the replace with the field empty. Next, click on Replace All. You will see confirmation pop up, which means Excel has successfully removed the spaces from your numbers. Click OK, close the window, and you are done. Is that simple, right? Next, let's move on to method 2, which involves using a formula. In your target cell, type the formula is equal to substitute in the bracket, select your number cells, then comma, then quotation mark two times and make it one space in between them. Then again comma, again double quotation mark two times and bracket close. Once you hit enter, Excel will remove the spaces. To apply this formula to all the cells in your column, simply drag the formula down from the corner of the cells. This method is quick and works like a charm. Finally, let's tackle method 3, which is ideal for large data sets. We will use a simple VBA script. Here's how to do it. First, go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Then click Insert and choose Module. A new window will open, and this is where we will paste our VBA code. Don't worry, I will leave the code in the description and comment below so you can easily copy from there. After pasting the code, click File, then close and return to Excel. Now select your data, go to the macro section and the macro window will pop up. Then click Run and Excel will remove the spaces from your numbers. It's a powerful way to clean a large data set quickly. Once you have used the VBA method, be sure to save your Excel file as a micro-enabled workbook to avoid losing the VBA code. To do this, click File and choose Save As. Then select Excel micro-enabled workbook format. This ensures that your macro will be saved with the file, so you won't need to reinstall the VBA code each time to open the workbook. That's it for today. You now have three easy ways to remove spaces in Excel using find and replace, the substitute formula, and VBA for large datasets. Which method did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.